In the critical environment of hospitals, maintaining pristine air quality is essential for infection control and patient recovery. The Breezy Smart Wi-Fi air quality device for hospitals is a cutting-edge solution designed to meet the stringent requirements of healthcare facilities. This intelligent device goes beyond standard monitoring, offering a comprehensive approach to managing air quality that directly impacts patient outcomes and staff safety. The Breezy device is equipped with specialized sensors that track mold spores and humidity levels with precision. These factors are particularly important in hospital settings, as they can significantly influence the risk of infections and the spread of airborne pathogens. By keeping a close eye on these elements, the device helps prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms and ensures that the hospital environment remains as sterile as possible. Staff alerts are a crucial feature of the Breezy system. When the device detects levels of mold spores or humidity that could pose a risk, it sends immediate notifications to hospital staff. This real-time alert system enables healthcare workers to take swift action to mitigate potential threats to patient health and safety. Moreover, the Breezy device contributes to patient outcome prediction. By analyzing air quality data, it can help identify trends and conditions that may affect patient recovery. This predictive capability allows hospitals to adjust their care strategies proactively, potentially leading to better outcomes for patients. For hospitals seeking to enhance their infection control protocols and create a healthier environment for patients and staff, the Breezy Smart Wi-Fi air quality device is a valuable asset. It represents a commitment to excellence in healthcare, where every aspect of the hospital environment is optimized for healing and well-being. To explore how the Breezy device can benefit your hospital, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can find my email on my page, and I'll be sure to respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Let's work together to make hospitals safer and more effective with Breezy.